this is Shreya from 2021 batch. I would like to share my personal experience of this Rome camp. Being an introvert through my MBBS years of first and second year, this camp has made me open up, as Arjun sir said, step up. Like in Rome camp, we were divided in two batches. Most of my friends were in other batch. They were present in BD. So I got a really new chance to make new friends here, open up. I learned many new skills like leading, painting, dancing. I even took part in dancing. I learned to talk to strangers. I was one of the part of self-breast examination. Adding on to that, I think I've learned more about society and my social skills also changed. I've also learned that if we want to bring change, it's not important we have to hold a position to bring that change. We can bring that change being at like really low level or at a really ground level. I have learned that from through the FGDs or IDI I took of Anganwadi workers or Asha. So they were an inspiration in this camp who made us realize that for a change we need not to be at a higher position.